Global Foundation Scholars Program offers a mentorship program. So coming in as an incoming freshman, I had the opportunity to have a mentor who was one from my major and also either a second or third year student at SVSU. I learned the importance of delegating through the service learning project. I delegated tasks to other workers to help with us, help the tools. I also learned the importance of collaboration, how to do my own research to make a difference in the community, trying to find what the community actually needed in that moment, but then also how to take these creative ideas and put it into motion. Learned how to act like a professional within the community and how to represent not just myself well, but also SVSU well. The service learning project was absolutely amazing. It was so much fun and I grew tremendously from it. The Global Foundation Scholars Program kind of taught me how to bring my ideas to life and make the difference I wanted to in my community. Heartbeat, I would definitely recommend the Global Foundation Scholars Program. They are why I am where I am today. I already had an advisor that I could ask academic questions to. I already had a mentor who I could turn to for advice. And I already had friends going into SVSU that I knew I wanted to connect with. And I also knew that the vision I had for my future was kind of getting laid out through this program. It was the first step to becoming a Cardinal.